Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how to solve problem number 54, that is spiral matrix, which is of medium category. So in this question, we are given a matrix and we have to traverse it in a spiral direction as it is shown in the example. So let's see how we are going to approach this problem. Okay, so I have already written here the input and output and the matrices here. Since we have to traverse the matrix in different directions, let's define the pointers for it. Left, it should start from 0. Here will be my left. Then we have right. It should be n minus 1. From here, then we have top here. It should also start with 0 and then it's bottom. So it will be here and m cross n m. So it will be m minus 1. So when we are traversing in different directions, for each direction we'll have one for loop. So here is my, when I'm traveling from left to right, my for loop will start from is equals to left and go till right. So for this, what I'll get the output, it will be 1 2 3 4. So I've traversed the first row completely. What I'll do is I'll move. I don't want to come back to this row again, so I'll move my top pointer, so my top will become plus plus. Now what is, we have to traverse from right to bottom. So for right to bottom, I have already covered this last element of the first row in the first loop. So in the next loop, we'll start it from top and go to bottom. So this will give me 4 10. Oh, sorry. It will give me 10 and 7 just. I'm adding this plus plus, and after that I'm not going to coming back to this row, this column, sorry. So I'll shift my pointer, right pointer here. I'll decrement it. So my right will be decremented. Next I have to traverse from bottom. Next, what will be my flow will be, order will be from right. I have to go right to left. So I have to go right till right to left. So my loop should start from right and it should go till bottom. Yeah, it should go till bottom. So from right to bottom we'll get left plus. So my right is here. I'll get 6 5 9. After that my bottom is here, so decremented similar to the right. So my bottom will be decremented, minus minus. Then I have to traverse from bottom to top. So my loop will start from bottom and it will go till top. So this for loop will give me 9 is already done, bottom is here, so it will give me 8. Yeah, after this for loop I had incremented this, so it should come here, top should come here, so it will give me just 8. So this my first cycle is completed, my whole cycle is completed. Now I'm going to come back again with the first loop. So now first cycle is already completed, the outer box is covered. Now I have to cover the inner elements. So again I'll go from left to right. Okay, yeah, wait, after this last from bottom to top traverse, I have to increment my left. So my left will start from here. So outer box is completed. Now I have to traverse the inner elements and again we'll start with this condition. Left to right, my left is pointing to this element, I'll go, and right is already here at this column, so it will go, I'll get plus 12 comma 11. Oh, so this is how I'm going to achieve this complete output with these set of for loops. And yeah, so let's discuss the time complexity and the space complexity. So the time complexity would be, of course, big O of m cross n, as we are traversing each element in the matrix, and space complexity would be big O of just one, no extra space. So yeah, this will be our approach to solve the spiral matrix problem. Okay, now let's try to code this problem. First, let's take out the length of the matrix. Then our left and top pointers, which will be 0 initially. Then right should be n minus 1, and bottom will be m minus 1. Also, we'll have one result array empty. Our main while condition, it should be left should be always less than or equal to right, and similarly top should be less than or equal to bottom. Okay, so now for first for loop, the range, it should go from left to right, so it should start from left and go till right plus 1. Okay, so it should it should append the result, append with matrix of left, which will be the 0th row, and next should be I. We'll increment the top pointer. Then we'll have next for loop, which will go from top to bottom. Range, it should go from right till bottom plus 1. Can someone just mention in the comment section like why I am in the for loop, why I am doing this right plus 1 and bottom plus 1, and why not just right and bottom, because here I have already taken it as n minus 1 and m minus 1. Then why I am taking it as plus 1 in the for loop? Just mention in the comment section. Okay, so here it will be, my column will be same, so it should be right, and row will be variable. So after coming till bottom, we'll decrement the right. Then next for loop, for going in right to left direction, it should start from right and go till left. Also, why I have written left minus 1. Result dot append matrix should be bottom. Our row is constant, and right variable, sorry, not right variable, it should be I. We have already started it from right. Then after that, we'll just decrement the bottom. Now I have another for loop for going from bottom to top. Range then I'll increment the left pointer. After that, I'll just return my result. But here, since I'm updating the top, right, left, and bottom pointers and using the while loop, we need to check the base condition again. So if my top is less than equal to bottom, then I should do this for loop. Actually, bottom as well. And here, if my left is less than equal to right, then only do this. Let's try to run it. Okay, we have an error. Exactly one argument. Oh, it's completely wrong. 1 2 3 1 2 3. It's skipped 9, sorry, 6, and then it went to 9. 8 7 7 4 5 and 5 again. What's wrong? Top and left are 0 0. From left we are starting till right plus 1, added left, incremented top, then going. Oh, here what I did, 1 2 3. Instead of going from 3, it should have printed 3 twice, but I don't know why. It should start from top and then go till bottom. Plus 1. Then correct right. Because once we have done 3, it should start from 6. Let's try to run this first. Let's see. Oh, yes. So, yeah, we have got the expected output. Let's see if other test cases are passing or not. Oh, so this is how we solve the spiral matrix. If you have any questions, queries related to this problem, related to this code, just mention it in the comment section. Also, the question I have asked you, like why I am writing bottom plus 1, then right plus 1, or top minus 1, left minus 1. Just write the answers in the comment section. Thank you.